Welcome back to MotorPedia. In today's video, we're exploring the top 10 most powerful motorcycles that are perfect for senior riders. These bikes deliver a blend of performance, comfort, and safety, making them ideal for those with a lifetime of riding experience. Whether you're looking for a cruiser with torque or a sport bike with finesse, we've got something for every seasoned rider. So let's dive in and find out which bikes made the list. Kicking off our list at number 1 is the Ducati Panigale V4 R, the epitome of racing excellence. This motorcycle is powered by a 998cc Desmosedici Straddle R engine that produces an astonishing 221 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful production bikes on the market. The Panigale V4 R's sleek and aerodynamic design, complemented by its lightweight carbon fiber components, enhances its stability and speed on the track. Ducati's Evo 2 traction control and slide control provide unmatched precision and safety, allowing riders to push the limits with confidence. With its Öhlins suspension and Brembo braking system, the V4R offers exceptional handling and stopping power. Every detail of the Panigale V4R is crafted to deliver an exhilarating experience that few motorcycles can match. If you're looking for the ultimate superbike that combines raw power, advanced technology, and Ducati's racing pedigree, the Panigale V4R is in a class of its own. Coming in at number 2 is the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10R, a superbike that exemplifies Kawasaki's dedication to speed and innovation. Its 998cc inline-4 engine delivers an impressive 203 horsepower, providing rapid acceleration and exhilarating top speeds. The bike's aerodynamic design minimizes drag, enhancing its ability to slice through the air efficiently. Paired with a lightweight chassis, the ZX-10R offers superb stability and agile handling, making it a formidable machine on both the track and the road. Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10R has equipped with the advanced electronics, including a traction control system and cornering management technology, ensuring riders maintain precise control in various conditions. The Showa balance-free fork and balance-free rear cushion suspension contribute to a comfortable and controlled ride, effectively absorbing bumps and maintaining traction. The inclusion of a quick shifter allows for seamless gear changes without the need for clutch engagement, further enhancing the bike's performance. Additionally, the integrated riding modes enable the ZX-10R to adapt to different riding environments and styles, from aggressive track sessions to more relaxed road cruising. Moving on to number 3, we have the BMW S1000RR, a superbike that continues to set the standard for performance and innovation. Its 999cc inline-4 engine delivers a formidable 205 horsepower, providing an exhilarating riding experience. The S1000RR's sleek design and aggressive styling are paired with state-of-the-art electronics, including dynamic traction control and wheelie control, offering riders unparalleled control and safety. BMW's shift cam technology optimizes valve timing, ensuring a broad and accessible power band. The bike's fully adjustable suspension provide exceptional handling and stability, whether you're on the track or the open road. With features like the customizable riding modes and the race-inspired braking system, the S1000RR is engineered to perform at the highest level. For those seeking a superbike that combines German precision with cutting-edge technology, the BMW S1000RR is a top contender. Coming at number 4 is the Yamaha YZF-R1M, that brings MotoGP technology and performance to the masses. Its 998cc inline-4 engine, featuring a cross-plane crankshaft, produces a smooth and linear 200 horsepower, delivering an exhilarating yet controlled ride. The R1M's carbon fiber bodywork not only reduces weight but also enhances the bike's structural rigidity. Yamaha's 6-axis EMU and advanced electronics package, including slide control and lift control, allow riders to tailor the bike's performance to their preferences and conditions. The Öhlins electronic racing suspension provides a responsive and adaptable ride, whether you're pushing the limits on the track or enjoying a spirited ride on the road. With its blend of high-tech features, stunning design, and race-inspired performance, the Yamaha YZF-R1M is a superbike that delivers an exceptional riding experience. Next on our list at number 5 is the Aprilia RS V4 1100 Factory, a superbike that captures the essence of Italian racing excellence. Powered by a 1078cc V4 engine, the RS V4 1100 Factory generates an impressive 217 horsepower, placing it among the most powerful bikes in its category. This power translates to thrilling acceleration and remarkable top speeds, making it a force to be reckoned with on both the road and the track. The bike's aerodynamic winglets, inspired by MotoGP technology, are designed to provide additional downforce, enhancing stability and control at high speeds. This ensures that the bike handles with precision, even in the most challenging conditions. Aprilia's APRC system allows for a customizable riding experience, featuring advanced electronics such as launch control, wheelie control, and adjustable traction control. These systems enable riders to confidently push the limits of performance while maintaining control. With its fully adjustable suspension system, the RS V4 1100 factory offers a smooth and responsive ride, adapting easily to different terrains and riding styles. Coming in at number 6 is the Ducati Streetfighter V4 S, a naked superbike that combines the raw aggression of a street fighter with the high-performance capabilities of a superbike. Its 1,103cc Desmosid Stradale engine churns out an impressive 208 horsepower, offering a thrilling and dynamic riding experience. The Streetfighter V4S's minimalist design is enhanced by its advanced electronics package, which includes traction control, cornering abs, and wheelie control, ensuring a safe yet exhilarating ride. The bike's Öhlins Smart EC 2.0 suspension provides exceptional handling, adapting to the road conditions in real time. The aerodynamic wings, derived from its Panigale sibling, add downforce and stability at high speeds. With its combination of power, technology, and striking design, the Ducati Streetfighter V4 S stands out as a top choice for riders looking for a versatile and capable motorcycle. Moving on to number 7, we have the MV Agusta Brutale 1000RR, a motorcycle that blends artistry and performance. This bike is powered by a 998cc inline-4 engine that produces a staggering 208 horsepower, making it one of the most potent naked bikes available. The Brutale's Italian styling is complemented by its advanced electronics, including multiple riding modes, a sophisticated traction control system, and a quick shifter for seamless gear changes. The bike's carbon fiber components and adjustable Öhlins suspension ensure precise handling and a comfortable ride, even at high speeds. With Brembo Stylema R brakes providing exceptional stopping power, the Brutale 1000RR offers a thrilling and refined riding experience. For those who appreciate both beauty and performance, the MV Agusta Brutale 1000RR is a superbike that delivers on all fronts. Coming in at number 8 is the Suzuki GSX-R1000R, a motorcycle that embodies the king of the sport bike's ethos. Its 999.8cc inline-4 engine produces an impressive 199 horsepower, offering both agility and speed. The GSX-R1000R's compact chassis and lightweight construction provide excellent handling and stability, making it a favorite among track enthusiasts. Suzuki's advanced electronics package, including a 10-level traction control system, launch control, and a bi-directional quick shifter, gives riders complete control over the bike's immense power. The bike's aerodynamic design reduces drag, while its adjustable suspension ensures a smooth and responsive ride. Whether on the racetrack or the highway, the GSX-R1000R, designed to deliver a top-tier riding experience for riders seeking high performance without compromise. At number 9, the Honda CBR 1000 RRR Fireblade SP is a motorcycle that combines Honda's racing technology with street usability. Its 999cc inline-4 engine produces a remarkable 215 horsepower, making it a powerhouse on the track and road alike. The Fireblade SP's aerodynamic design, inspired by MotoGP, reduces drag and enhances stability at high speeds. The bike's advanced electronics package includes a customizable riding mode selector, wheelie control, and cornering abs, providing riders with a tailored riding experience. With its Öhlins electronic suspension and Honda's renowned build quality, the Fireblade SP offers exceptional handling and a smooth ride. This superbike is the perfect choice for those who seek both power and precision in their riding experience. Rounding out our list at number 10 is the Kawasaki Z H2 SE, a supercharged marvel that combines raw power with advanced technology. Its 998cc inline-4 engine, complete with a supercharger, delivers a mind-blowing 197 horsepower, providing an exhilarating and dynamic ride. The Z H2 SE's aggressive Sugumi design not only looks stunning but also enhances its aerodynamic efficiency. Kawasaki's electronic control suspension and IMU-enhanced electronics, including traction control and cornering abs, offer riders a safe and controlled riding experience in various conditions. The bike's quick shifter and integrated display add to its performance capabilities, while the ergonomic design ensures rider comfort during long rides. The Kawasaki Z H2 SE is a super bike that demands respect and delivers a ride like no other, making it a top choice. Thanks for joining us on this thrilling ride through the top 10 most powerful motorcycles for senior riders. We hope you found the perfect bike to match your riding style and experience. Remember, the right motorcycle not only delivers power but also comfort and safety, ensuring your journeys are as smooth as they are exhilarating. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MotorPedia for more great content. Let us know in the comments which bike you'd pick, or if we missed one of your favorites. Until next time, ride safe and keep the rubber side down.